Hello, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for coming back for another journal flip through. I am doing a sunflower themed journal flip through. This is a custom order for Louise. She loves sunflowers, and I made her a journal with my sunflower kit called Sunny Days. This is ink on my hands, not blood. It's from changing ink cartridges. Anyway, so this is the ARTYmaze kit, and you can go over to ARTYmaze, her Etsy shop, and purchase it. And I had done a design team project with this kit previously, but now this is just using it again. It is a 9x6 or 8 3/4 by 5 3/4, one signature, cardstock soft cover, and I love the image on the front. And there's some like faux leather wallpaper that's backing, 2 lines of stitching, 2 different types of stitching, and I really like how that came out. So in the front, there's a little pocket from the kit. And then I added this little scrap of paper. I liked how the vintage cameras kind of went with the color scheme. And I just added a little bit of ribbon there. I used my borderless printer to print this kit, so it came out so beautiful. I just love the pages. And then the background pages as well are lined, and there's so much interest to them. So here we have one of the journal cards and then a little tag that I made. And I used these scalloped scissors on a lot of the ephemera just to give it a little bit more texture and a new look that I was trying out in this journal. I love the jumbo tags in this kit. And so there's a jumbo tag and a gold doily. And then the book pages are all from a sunflower book. This is one of the background, or one of the pages, and then I glued this coffee dyed piece on and stamped it for more journaling space. And then here's a little piece of cardstock I sewed around and a bingo card from the kit. There we go. There's a little mini, what's that called? Ticket that I stitched on that tag. Beautiful background pages. And the kit is a sunflower themed kit, but there are other flowers and things in the kit as well. There's a little quilt square I got in some Happy Mail. And that's nice. Like here, there's other flowers that aren't sunflowers, but they coordinate with the kit, so I think that's really pretty. So big paper ribbon, that's also a tuck spot for this tag, and there's some distress inking on the back, and then one of the tags from the kit, and that just slips right into that paper ribbon. Love, this is probably my favorite image in the kit. I think it's the same one that's on the cover. Little stamping journaling spot, and then I glued down this journal card, one of the pockets from the kit, and then we have a little piece of ephemera, some little bits and pieces stuck in there. This is a paint chip card, and the color is Amber Waves, and I put one of the sunflowers behind it and glued it down on this page. This is probably my favorite spread, that it says date, and it has all this journaling space. A little wallpaper tag, that's the same wallpaper that's on the cover. So pretty. We have some lace, and then this is ripped out of one of the journaling cards. Here's a little, this is like a little coin envelope that comes in the kit, and you can stuff little trinkets and treasures and things into there. Little receipts, ticket stubs, pictures, scrap notes. And then there's a big pocket here where you can stick photos or other things as well. I used one of the tags as a tuck spot. It's doubled in thickness. And then there's just some papers and journaling space tucked in there. I love this ribbon. This is my last, or lace. It's my last piece of it, and I love the brown, and I added a little flat back sunflower. One of the big tickets that's stapled on there. Another bingo card, and I love this page too. Those berries, so pretty. So in the back, I wanted to do something a little different. So I made a little belly band and did some vine stitching. This is just coffee dyed paper. And then this is a tag, and I got this from the Magnolia Seed. She sent that to me in her kit, and I love these tags. I don't have very many of them. But I just think they're so pretty, the shipping tags. So you can write whatever information you want on the back there, Louise. So there we go. I love it. I just think it's so pretty. I wish I could write in it. It's just calling to be written in. This is being sent to her. So hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching this flip through, and go to ARTYmaze and check out her kits because they are incredible. She said, I did not even use, I did use all the pages, I think, but I did not use all the ephemera. There's so much.